Drag cars are the ultimate speed machines, built for one thing: straight-line racing. These beasts are engineered for explosive acceleration, often featuring powerful V8 engines that can produce over 10,000 horsepower. The design is all about aerodynamics, with lightweight materials and specialized tires that grip the track like glue. Races typically last just a few seconds, but the adrenaline rush is unforgettable. From nitrous oxide boosts to custom suspensions, every detail is fine-tuned for maximum performance. It's not just a race, it's a battle of engineering and raw power, where every millisecond counts.